Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the latest YouTube and a logged-in account. Start there. Open YouTube, check the app or browser update and install it. Once done, force close the app or fully quit the browser and reboot the device to clear transient glitches. Make sure you're on the account where you want dark mode enabled. If using a browser, disable extensions temporarily because they can override site styles. Next, go to YouTube's appearance setting. We'll change it in the next step. Now navigate to Profile Appearance on YouTube or Settings Appearance. Choose Dark Theme and observe immediate change. If nothing happens, clear site-specific cache and cookies for YouTube. Com-so-stale CSS or scripts don't block the theme. Then check browser flags like forced color profiles or experimental CSS that may break themes and disable them. On mobile, verify system-level dark mode preferences and any batteries. If dark mode still fails, sign out of YouTube and sign in again, or reinstall the app to reset corrupted settings. Test in an incognito window or another browser profile to determine if extensions or profile data cause the issue. Make sure browser or OS accessibility settings aren't enforcing a different appearance. If you're comfortable, open Developer Tools and look for failed CSS or script errors referencing theme files. That single clue often reveals the root cause. Finally, apply the fix and verify persistence across restarts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.